Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is OPPO A15s, and in this video I am going to show you how to change notification sound on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to just open our settings. Then we have to scroll down and click on the sound and vibration option. Now we have to scroll down, and here we have to click on the default notification sound. Now we can allow, and here you can choose whatever sound you want. For example, this one, or this, or this. And as you can see, it's right here. And basically, that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!